Hey YouTube, Sandy Frank here. Today going to be opening up a second hobby box of 2020 Topps Gypsy Queen. Get 2 on-card autographs per box, so pretty exciting. I got, in my first box, you have to go watch the video, I got most of the good rookies, but I didn't get all. There is one really good rookie card that I have not pulled yet, so I'm hoping I get it out of this one. We'll save this one for the end. Our Chrome cards box topper. And here are the pack odds. I got this from the local hobby shop, SP Sports. They're awesome card shop, and I like to support my local hobby shop as much as I can, especially today because things are slow, of course, everywhere. And yeah, there's a lot of the corona stuff going on, but they had a thing where you can call ahead and they'll put your order together, and then you just go pick it up, so you don't have to like be around other people to get your cards. So that was pretty cool. So we got Steven Matz, Ozzie Albies, Eric Hosmer, Walker Buehler, a blue Carlos Santana out of 150, Steven Strasburg, Mitch Garver, and Trey Turner. So we got a numbered card in the first pack. This one we got another blue card. Rollins Chapman, Luis Severino, Kyle Hendricks, Jake DeGrom, Chris Bryant, Austin Hayes, Carter Kaboom, and Brandon Woodruff blue. That one's 29 out of 150. So we've been getting lots of numbered cards. I don't know if this is normal for this year or not, but both boxes I've opened have been loaded with numbered cards. Got Michael Brantley, Ahmed Rosario, excuse me, Luzardo rookie, Brendan Rodgers. Oh, got some kind of numbered something there. Reese Hoskins, Ryan McMahon. Hey, here's a nice rookie, Bo Bichette. I'm gonna sleeve that later. So there's our first hit. We'll set that down. Save it, savor it. We got Agrazal for Detroit rookie. Justin Turner, Jeff Samardzija. Ah, there was the other rookie that we did not get our first box. Yordan Alvarez. Very nice. We got Howie Kendrick, Hanley Ramirez, James Paxton, Brandon Belt. I will sleeve this one because I have not pulled any Jordans yet. Alright, this one got, oh, I forgot about him being in here. Aristides Aquino, I did not pull him yet. So there's a nice rookie. Aaron Nola. I got Escobar, Victor Robles, Nomar Mazara. Hey, they've already got him on the White Sox jersey. And by the way, I hate that trade that they made. The Rangers trading away Mazara, because I really like Mazara. He's one of my favorite Rangers. That was a terrible trade for the Rangers. Joey Votto, Michael Chavez, and Raisel Iglesias. So I think the White Sox pretty much got a steal there. Patrick Corbin, Marvel rookie, Jose Berrios, David Price, David Fletcher, Hunter Dozier, Charlie Blackmon, Ryan Braun. I really like the look of the Gypsy Queen this year. Reyes, Nico Horner, that's a good rookie. Jonathan Hernandez, rookie. Colton, that's not Colton Wong. Keon Wong, rookie. We got Dylan Cease, one of these fortune teller inserts. Mike Soroka, Ravello, rookie, and Smith. This one got Logan Webb, rookie, Andrew Haney, Travis D'Arnaud, Randall Greichik, Gleyber Torres, if you want to read what they say about Gleyber, Whit Merrifield, Jimenez, AJ Puck, rookie. That reminds me, shout out to Diego's Hobby. I like doing shout outs to my boy Diego. He's a big A's fan, which unfortunately, as a Rangers fan, I'm not the biggest fan of the A's, but I do like some of their players. Mike Yastrzemski, Yuli Gurriel, Gene Segura, Blake Snell. Ooh, that's a logo swap there of FAM. I don't think those are numbered, but that is a variation. I'm going to go ahead and sleeve that one. Patel Marte, Matt Olson, and Jorge Polanco. So we got a logo swap. Evan Longoria, Dansby Swanson, Junior Fernandez, rookie, Danny Jansen, Yamamoto, rookie, Valoria, Bryce Harper, and Eric Thames. All right, next pack. Set that over there. Juan Soto, Yohan Moncada, Marcus Semien, Francisco Mejia, Walker Buehler insert, Rodriguez, JD Martinez, Luis Robert rookie. I'll go ahead and sleeve my rookies. I have a couple sleeves here. Let me find that Bichette and get it sleeved, because that was a good rookie. Go find him real quick, make sure I get him sleeved in so I can show him at the end. There it is. Don't want people thinking I don't think Bichette is a good rookie, because he is a good rookie. Very good rookie. All right, next one. Moran, Justin Verlander, Brian Anderson, Brock Burke. I think he's out for the year for the Rangers. Mike Minor, another Rangers. Jalen Davis, rookie. Albert Pujols, and Justin Dunn, rookie. Mike Trout, Lorenzen, Jake Flaherty, Rowdy Tellez. Hey, Mike Trout, I did get this card in my first box. Insert Eddie Rosario, Alzolay rookie, Austin Meadows. We got Suarez, Marcus Stroman, Fernando Tatis, Ohtani, Nick Senzel. I got this one in my first box, so I'm getting some doubles of those inserts. Gary Sanchez, Josh Hader, Freddie Freeman. That kind of sucks because it's so hard to get the inserts, but you want to at least get different ones out of just 2 boxes. Francisco Lindor, Sandy Alcantara, Tommy Pham, Christian Walker. I think that's our second hit. DJ LeMahieu, Scott Kingery, and Lucas Giolito. Set that over there too. Jose Ramirez, Yelmer Sanchez, Manny Machado, Didi Gregorius, Reggie Jackson. Now that's got to be a short print. Number 304. So the cards that are numbered over 100 are short prints. Santander, Bregman, and Isan Diaz rookie. Alright, next one we got Glaber, John Lester, Clayton Kershaw, Bradley, Alexander, Robert Duggar, rookie, Mookie Betts, Corey Seager. Brusdar Graterol, now on the Dodgers. I'm surprised they didn't get him in a Dodgers uniform. Rookie, Jorge Soler, Tim Anderson, B. Dixon, Brandon Dixon, J.D. Davis, Mitch Keller, Tommy LaStella, Brandon Crawford. It's got Willie Castro, Paul DeJong. We've got a blue parallel. Morjan, rookie, Shed Long, and Noisy, rookie. This is out of 250. 89 out of 250. I'm not sure these blues are confusing me. Some of them are 150 and some are 250. Inciarte, Arozarena, rookie, and Garrett Cole. So, are these two different colors of blue? Man, that's terrible of Topps if they did two different blue parallels. It does have a slight shade off from the other blues that were out of 150. Man, I don't get it. Head scratcher, Topps. Come on. Chance Sisco, Cedric Mullins, Nicky Lopez, Wilson Ramos, Michael Baez, rookie, Will Smith, Dewell Lugo, Mitch Haniger. Christian Yelich, Means, Alex Young, rookie, Staymont, rookie. Oh, we got another backwards card. Cole Calhoun, Jake Fraley, and Alberto Mondesi. This doesn't look like an autograph back, so let's see what this is. JD Martinez. This has got to be some kind of variant. I just don't know what it is there. Put in the comments if you know why this card might have been backwards. Some kind of variation there, I would guess. Go ahead. I have one extra sleeve. I'm going to save my last two sleeves for the autographs. They might have just screwed up and put a card backwards, but usually when Gypsy Queen does that, it's because it's some kind of variation. Nunez, rookie. Nick Senzel, Matt Theus, rookie. Real Muto. Oh, Mike Trout, insert. Castro, Cody Bellinger, and Ryu. So 2 of our inserts are Trouts. That's pretty cool. Jose Altuve, Lorenzo Cain, Robbie Ray, Trey Mancini, Bryce Harper. Yeah, it's on the box there. Sonny Gray, Garrett Hampson, and Garcia rookie. Okay, so our last pack. Man, that card's dinged up. Vlad Jr., Matthew Boyd, Jose Abreu, Kevin Newman, Kevin Kiermaier, Dubon rookie, Max Kepler, and Sean Murphy. Unfortunately, that rookie is the one that had a ding corner. Okay, so let's see. Actually, let's see what we got here in this chrome pack, or box topper pack first. I guess these could be autographed too. We got Austin Meadows. Ooh, that's nice. That's a kind of a boom right there. Yordan Alvarez, rookie chrome. Ooh, and an Aquino chrome. Boy, that's a great box topper pack. I'm going to have to use one of my sleeves on this one. Very nice, and looks to be very well centered. 149 out of 150. That's a nice rookie right there. And I would sleeve this normally. Aristides Aquino. Okay. So let's see. Let's see what we got for our autos. Okay, it's backwards. Okay, somebody on Chicago. Albert Alzolay, rookie auto. I think I do have Alzolay autographs, but that one's pretty cool. On card auto. And I think this was numbered. I glimpsed a number when we flipped it. Yep, it's blue. Toronto. Oh, Bo Bichette, come on. Oh, yeah, Bo Bichette, blue auto. That's beautiful. Get this in a sleeve. Bo Bichette, blue auto, on-card auto, rookie. Very nice centering and everything. 80 out of 150 blue. Wow, what a great box, man. Okay. Let's see, we'll save those hits for last. Okay, so we got some kind of possible short print, J.D. Martinez. Got Reggie Jackson short print. Got a Bo Bichette rookie. Luis Robert rookie. A Gypsy Queen logo swap. Tommy Pham. Aristides Aquino rookie. Yordan Alvarez rookie. Some blue parallels. These seem like a brighter blue. These are out of 150, and this more duller blue is out of 250. And then we got Bo Bichette on-card auto, huge. Albert Alzolay auto. Aristides Aquino chrome rookie, and a Yordan Alvarez blue parallel rookie out of 150. Nice box. Awesome. All right, stay tuned for more videos.